Hello everyone, my name is Arvind Panda. I am a fourth year student from UPS Dehradun. Currently, I am a legal intern in LEXIS and Company for the month of June, and today in this video I am going to talk about the 2017 Unnao rape case. So, rape is one of the most common offenses against women in India. The rape statistics in India are deeply shocking. There are women raped in every 15 minutes. The number is even more negatively astonishing when we take this into consideration that only 1% of rape are reported after all. The staggering number has its root in deeply settled misogyny. The 2017 Unnao rape case. In 2017, another news rocked the entire country. Politician and BJP MLA Kuldeep Singh Sengar was accused of having raped a minor Dalit girl. What was even more disturbing was the fact that this was not the first case involving a member of legislative branch doing so. In fact, political parties often happen to have a number of MPs and MLA that have or had ongoing rape charges on them. However, that was happened later proved to be a claimious. So let us start with the background of the case. So on 4th of June 2017, a minor girl, merely 17 years of age, then was kidnapped from her village of residence in Uttar Pradesh and raped by BJP MLA Kuldeep Singh Sengar, his brother Jaideep alias Atul Singh and other. She was found 17 days later on 21st June 2017 in a village named Aurelia, which is 116 kilometers away from her village. So the next day on 22nd June 2017, an FIR was filed. The reluctance of the police officer is doing so. The main accused, even after the victim cries, was not named in the FIR by the police. In fact, it was alleged that the police even threw them out of the station when they insisted on Sengar being named in the report. As the matter escalated on 3rd April 2018, the father of the victim was beaten black and blue by the legislature brother and co-accused Jaideep alias Atul Singer and others. The video of the same was put up on social media for the world to witness. The victim's father could be heard calling out Atul Singh's name in the video. Yet, the letter was not even mentioned in the report filed, even though the father of the victim filed a report with the police about this. He was arrested by the police and sent to jail. The shameless protection of the accused and his accomplices continued as the police force turned a blind eye to the report, threats, and victim of her family received by Sengar. As a desperate attempt to make herself heard in the dark, on 3rd of April 2018, the victim tried to immolate herself in front of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's residence and alleged the crimes against her in her immediate and extended family. She also accused the police force of having turned a blind eye to the entire situation, thereby facilitating more offences. Unfortunately, mere a week later, on 9th of April 2018, the victim father succumbed to his injuries owing to the police beating. The post-mortem report mentioned the cause of the death to men to be blood poisoning along with injuries on his body. So, a year later, when the case started proceeding, another calamity stuck. On 2nd of July 2019, a 20-year-old case of the uncle of victim was brought to surface, and one decade of the prison time was awarded to him by the lower court. In the same month, the lead counsel and the girl were both fatally injured in a car accident when they were en route to Ray Bareilly District Court for hearing. The potential of mental aunts of victims come to their injuries in the crash. 3 days later, Sengar was received from his duties of the central and state BJP leadership duties. So, even the MLA Sengar was in Sitapur jail under the charges. BJP did not let his action or criminal past come in the way of their overt display of unity. On 6th of June 2019, BJP Unnao MP Sachidanand Sakshi alias Sakshi Maharaj met him after the general election to express his gratitude for his win to him. He said that it was Singar's blessing that had caused the seat to be secured by him. Finally, on fateful day of 20th December 2019, MLA Singar was convicted of his charges, and the court awarded him a sentence for increation of life under section 376 clause 2 of IPC. Even though this sentence was welcome, this delayed and often denied justice by the police and the law enforcement has caused significant damage to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and BJP government in Uttar Pradesh. So that's all for today's video. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.